So full time here at Aberystwyth with Aberystwyth 9, Aber 0. I'm here with goal scorer Owain Jones. Owain, a hat trick for you, the first time in Aber colours. You must be delighted.
Yeah, it's nice. It's not often you get to get on the score sheet 3 times in one game, so yeah, it's lovely.
There's a massive build up to this game. There's a lot of said on social media. There's a lot of build up. So how was the nerves before going into that?
I think having played a lot of, I know it's a bit different, but having played a lot of Welsh Youth Cup games where you're heavy favourites and nothing but a win will do, I think that's obviously helped the likes of me and Feely feel at home in games like this. But fair play to their fans, they were unbelievable today, made a real atmosphere, and yeah, it was nice to be a part of.
Talk us through that first goal, because that was an absolutely sumptuous strike that you just, it was world class, and you and Matty Jones must be having a fight of who scored the best goal for the afternoon.
Well, I don't think it's much of a fight. Matty's not got much to say about it, but yeah, I was just trying to get Franks out of the way really. He dribbles with the ball so well. Luckily he took a bad touch and yeah, just put it in top.
And hopefully now that momentum will help you moving forward now in terms of goal scoring. We've got a tough game again next week. Is Cardiff Met in front of the cameras again? How is the camp feeling ahead of that?
Yeah, we're feeling good. I think we played well at the start of the season. You know, we've had 4 difficult games. You know, could have come out with more points I think than what we have done. So yeah, I think we're feeling good going into it. We just need to add obviously the goals that we've scored today and just take that forward now.
Enjoy the match ball. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Should we do it? Go for Cymraeg?